that patenting was something I did. This is a question to sir actually, that I got patenting done on my name. And is it like a necessity to get patenting done for the food products we have individually under the brand? Because that was something, unfortunately, my company secretariat also could not answer, considering it's a very specific food business line. So, you know, this question I wanted to personally ask sir, and if you could just give me insights on it.
Sure. So I think there are two parts here, Jill. One is a patent and then the other is a trademark, right? So I'm not sure which part you're asking, but let me explain both. The trademark is more for your brand. So in your case, it's Nutriful, and you must obviously go and apply for a trademark for the brand so that you own it and nobody gets a brand name similar sounding or similar looking. And that's a good protection to have as far as the sales is concerned. So I think you go to any lawyer, you're in Bombay, anybody will apply to the offices of...
My trademark is done actually. So that is
okay,
what
great.
that...
So yes. Trademark is easy. For the patent, there is no necessity. It's not mandatory, right? Okay. That you need to have a patent. And the reality is getting a patent is tough, especially in an FMCG food product. Applying for patent in itself shows that you have a unique product, because you know you have to go, and how to do it. If you want to apply for a patent, the process is you have a normal lawyer, then you have corporate lawyer, and then you have a unique set of people who are called patent lawyers, right? And they're available everywhere. I think if you're a part of the startup community, Head Start will be able to help you. They'll be able to connect you. I'm happy to connect you to people as well if you want, who are specialized only in patents. You have to go and give your products and explain your product to them. And they have a process by which they evaluate some simple thing. They have something called patentability. A patentability essentially is where a lawyer tells you that in their opinion, do you think there is an opportunity for your product to get a patent? That's the first step. Your lawyer must be able to tell you whether the product is patented. It doesn't mean that you'll get a patent. It just means that the lawyer believes that there is a reasonable chance of getting a patent and therefore worth applying. That's the first hurdle to cross. If your lawyer believes it is not patentable, you're wasting time. If your lawyer believes it is patentable, then you hire the lawyer and then you take a process and you follow the process, and it's a fairly long process. You can speeden up the process if you want it quickly by doing what is called the equivalent of a Tatkal booking, where you can actually pay extra money and say, can you take up my case? If you don't want to do that, the process can vary anywhere between 3.5 to 7 years. But if you want to do the Tatkal thing, you could do it in say 18 months where you start getting a response. And this doesn't mean that you'll get a patent. It means that you'll get a response. After you file, to get a response, you can take 12 to 18 months if you want to progress faster. If you just keep quiet, you can get a response in 18 months, you can get it in 36 months, you can get it in 7 years. That's the speed, but it is not mandatory for you to sell. Most food products in India do not have a patent. Sure. Do not have a patent. And the thing is, if you have invented, the key thing is to identify the inventor. So if you're the inventor, you must identify yourself as the inventor and then apply for a patent. Now, what you can do if you're applying for a patent is you can either apply in your name or you can apply for the patent in the company's name, whichever is convenient to you. It doesn't matter. But don't worry about it. It's not mandatory. It's useful. It's important. It builds value, but it is not mandatory to do business.
Okay.
Okay, great.
Thank you so much for your input, sir. That was really helpful.